Nera mala kenyam biya kamal ka no online TV channel to kon ka Läär mi jidit mi be kon lim gwasme mi gorno de kon nyakel you know question anyam de ro de take je jin Nuer mo ngum jag Nuer ka shuch wi mon ngum jag kon ka shuch wi mon dere gwar pingwada mo me jakon ka shujo wi mon elengo me jak Nuer ka shujo kata kon kane di bom ta kon ka kwar ta kon ka dit ta kon kengwane te lwanka kur kon bum kon dinglo sha kon nyan etik wame tek kon nyanene sha kon long ko ba kon kok shana yu lanyam te gor kono banake gujeno ken tin kon de kon tekeka na wal la pur kon remondan teleken yod pai benti angum jak Nuer ka shuch wi mon bana jome bana jale wa corrupt and silent Nuer leadership ramje corrupt rami mo cha tok chalat ram nong ni yo baji tias ke baji ma ke siasa ana mekel ram cha ko ko yo cha tok cha bala roch mo kono ka kwartin kon tin chirwach ka chol ko ro ka kwar bitke chika tuken gak tela ramroch ko ganke position ken no leader become tool for oppressors failing to speak up or defend the Nuer people kwar kon sigurodian jaka nei to kwale use te jakon ko bana shuch kon kon la Nuer shikarwach ka chicken chungo kon kel cha gwanter cha jale dor la boss kan rodian kor ko ngai kan no jan gwada dana jekan kondienten chicken goro en gode kan kondien de kan yar many of them are afraid of losing position or being punished by the people that they call their boss ne de shol kan go kwarken tin kwa she maneken kwa gala nak naka gad ken naka maneken wanke dorken la gon ken ke ko dwal ken ke michigan dwal ke ko Nuer si kon de chuch maradian gwasame la yen kana mitera mishi wole betugde jokan wo meladian mo mijek they arrest silence and even torture their own people who dare to speak against them who dare to speak against injustice mishi warwaji kamen jeglat kana baji yen ki baji torture bikani lerjak so na me jaga Nuer ko bike chuch ka dwal mishit kana marginalization is one thing marginalization by the president and his elite kwar tintekel ka jang kiena doromo tin sham ko wi Nuer jaka Nuer ko shiken dorien ba ngaje no dorien mtedi ki dorien weidi so shanga ne piuta matke re doru kon tele ka piuta go tele shari to go karabe tele je chi kon de ro ga karabe ko how many years tele doru kon tele ka karabe ne tele dul gori tele LZ service dul polo point tin kon de na kula wuten me don charan mo ka dual tel dul gor ka murong. Can you imagine the life that we are living as a Nuer community. We mon kelu. Kon cha kon jak ethnic discrimination and historical hatred. Daga kona gwanter keteje twog no wal. Minyire antama bu gwanter ko chenga dino nyira baro wul wagji ko bejukulu use against me. Biya kula torture biya chenga jeka. Jana kuyela nena tama shanka Nuer civilian shanga ke jek anede la jang shanka jek abar shanga ke jek atat kashi kwan wari kan tuken chicken kalab. Mi je kula tega gan wer mu bum mi jana je rode wa dara ba je duaj pin. So that's what is happening right now. Bana kula woni ke division among us Nuer people jana kwala use la tool enemy ten kona nakakon ka wer kan changdar dan. I can tell you that Nuer are fighting each others, allowing outsiders to exploit their weakness. A kon yinka rodan Nuer tele doro dim yinka kon ka kon rodan manager gwich Fangak, Nasser, Lungashuk, Genewi, Kamayom, Kayunta State, anywhere. So Guadamo, some Nuer leaders are used as a puppet to suppress their own brothers and sisters and their own family. Ci unity dan Shabbat. Committee unity thin de kon take a bomb, de kon take a luang, cha kon de luang ka wuk. Kon chana fail. Tela kon ne ite fight ke kuidan. Tela kon media na turong ko de jorander woni al tele kondul gorka mo go ki organization to protect Nuer. Can this organization can protect Nuer identity and right, but we do not have any media that can defend our people, our innocent people that are suffering. Teleja tell chikon invest, lack of investment in education, culture, language and political mobilization. We don't have that. Kakon Nueriti chuch kan kon dab ko church bad bana je bijagrar kamigadana chikone gorbana bemek. Ngene kon chaka nogono dong de came power. Chaka come direction edit. Use kwa ka yar ke ngar ka widian anitin content niam mishi yotero de gwada na makajere ke je system be yuge no yent ko ken edo to tele yelot. This has become a tool for the enemy. They are using that tool. Michika young man miteke ability, young man mengengwak, young man me intelligent. They will use that young man, we can kef, we can nong radiant. So they will use it against the people that is supposed to protect. No, Nuer use who is powerful nowadays, because chakon dial, darkon ping kapot. Nuer use are powerful but live without direction or support, chakon support. When they try to rise, they are crushed by their own elder, working for the system. No program for economic empowerment or political leadership training. Cha kon train ka dob dande kon ngwana kwagde kon ka gangaje. Peace kon ka widan ko tele kwer ki diet muku kon direct right now ngai kona. Tele elder tichiro ne je mi shuge elder bro je la ramite tada dien. Meleda ne kumeka that a God keka, but nangi point you so they don't care about the youth. They will never support or train youth, and or they can protect. So right now, kon ngana ko kianati tel koneka telan youth kona widan. So ka kon take a long ko ban magwani jan ban megan tama ko cha kon by opinion iti kon la dit chicken go no be kon your direction. Ngai kon no did when kan kawa, and now we remain with no direction, with no support. Quick con quick down the conuten. Michi winen radadian jale jale. Che radadian chenok. But the large change is possible, okay? Ger karo yes jaten. The youth must wake up and stop waiting for corrupt leader to act. Jainero konchilib ne kware teche corrupt ke teche widien chajak. Nuer people must unite, speak boldly, and build their own future with or without permission. Chana doran peace gari. Raidan bailing and ekono kokian. Mela kono rainisha. True leadership must rise from the people, not from fear, but from strength, truth, and unity. Yan guadarana be kweran be benten. Gur kono bana duran bana roja gua gur kon change geri karodan. So in that way, we kon werbana kolonko ger konke. Right now, question is man. Anguma jang nuer keshuch we mon. We keji. We karam do diana mo. Terodu anguma jang nuer keshuch we mon. Mena doran mena je gui daga daka jama. Biar temal ban je gumro dian. Bye bye.